How can a pure dry sample of copper sulfate crystals be obtained from copper oxide and sulfuric acid? This is one of our Year 10 core practicals. It gets tested an awful lot, so it's certainly a procedure you need to know. Number one, okay, excess copper oxide is added to sulfuric acid. Okay, we have to have an excess of the copper oxide. It's insoluble. So that will make sure all the sulfuric acid reacts. Because the sulfuric acid is aqueous and the copper sulfate that's made is also aqueous. So if we had any sulfuric acid remaining, it would mix with the product and therefore it wouldn't be pure. The copper sulfate wouldn't be pure. So we have to have excess copper oxide, crucial. 2, copper oxide is insoluble, so filter out excess copper oxide. 3, heat the copper sulfate solution. So the sulfuric acid and the copper oxide makes copper sulfate and water. So we're going to heat the copper sulfate solution to evaporate the water. Okay, stop heating before all the water has evaporated. We don't evaporate to dryness. 5, cool and crystallize. This process is called crystallization, so it's good to get this word crystallize in. 6, dry crystals between filter papers. Filter paper is absorbent, so if we use dry filter papers, we can squash the crystals between the filter papers and the filter paper will just take any moisture off the crystals. A very important procedure. All these questions on elshamhighchemistry.com.